This is Bob Davis 321 showing off launcher. This is bmorcelli.github.io/launcher/webflasher.html. With that, I've got Bruce, Ghost, Halehound, and Marauder all running. The problem I'm having, well, it took me a long time. I've tried several different versions of Ghost to get that running. Halehound went right from the start. And the problem that I have is I can't get the latest version of Bruce to run on this. I mean, this version here runs, but it's from 2025. I mean, you know, that's ancient history. Like, it's a whole year ago. The Ghost version I'm running is also from a year ago. Halehound is very recent. I'll show you how you have to tell it to replace the existing one and install the one that you want over top, and everything fits on a SD card. While that's loading, I'll show you how my Bruce setup goes. This is the first production unit of the back of the cheap yellow display 3D printed cabinet. Has a RF card on the back. This will be RF/infrared switch. This is the prototype. It's a bit messy on the wiring. I'm hoping to find ways to clean up the wiring so it doesn't look too bad. And it just plugs into the cheap yellow display with two connectors, one next to the SD card, and then the other one I have to solder 3 wires onto the SD card and then bring that out to a socket so I can plug in the second one. So that's how it connects the cheap yellow display. And meanwhile, there's Halehound. I don't think I need touch calibration, but you gotta be careful skipping that because that can cause issues. I have a feeling I just double clicked. That does happen once in a while. Yep. So anyways, that's Halehound running. Hopefully the screen calibration will work with the one that comes with a launcher, because when you run launcher it does a screen calibration, and hopefully that carries on. So meanwhile, see if I can find a button on the back to get back to launcher. Whenever you restart, your display launcher comes up. You just have to select it, and then you can run what's currently installed, or you can go to the SDA and install a different one. But this is Bruce, Ghost, Halehound, and Marauder all running on the same cheap yellow display, being stored on an SD card. And that's all for now.